हेलो हंटर्स एंड वेलकम बैक टू आवर अनदर वीडियो जहाँ पर हम आपको रोज़ नए नए पोस्ट नई नई जॉब्स के बारे में बताते हैं। तो आज के वीडियो में वी हैव शेयर नेस्ट जिसको ALFY भी कहते हैं एंड इट इज़ हायरिंग फॉर द प्री सेल्स एग्जीक्यूटिव सेल्स मैनेजर एंड चैनल सेल्स मैनेजर रोल। Let me tell you first about the incentive parts. So the hiring incentive for the pre-sales executive is 5,740 rupees. For the sales manager, it is 24,460 rupees. And for the channel sales manager, it is 24,460 rupees. The interview incentive is 500 rupees and the profile incentive is 100 rupees for every profile which matches the hiring criteria. Now the number of positions here for the pre-sales manager is 2, for the sales manager is 4, for the channel sales manager is 1. If you sum up the amount you have a good chance to earn more than 90,000 rupees in just one lucky go. Now, about the hiring criteria for the pre-sales executive, the job role is pre-sales and the number of vacancies here is 2. The experience we need for the job role is 1 to 3 years in B2C sector and the fixed CTC for the particular job role is 15,000 to 25,000. The office location is in Goa and the work mode will be the on-site. The shift timing is as per Indian standards and the industry we will prefer is the real estate. If the candidate is from real estate industry, him or she must have the better chance to get into the job. Now the age criteria for the particular job role is 20 to 32 and the education required is graduation. Now for the sales manager role, the location is Mumbai, Goa, Pune, and Delhi. And the open positions are one for each location. So it means that we have total 4 positions for this particular job role. The experience type we need is B2C, and the experience number of experience years we have is 2 to 4 years in this particular job role. The work mode is again the on-site as per Indian standard and industry preferred is real estate. The age criteria here is 21 years to 32 years and the education required is again graduation. For the channel sales manager role, the number of position here is 1 and the office location is in Mumbai. The fixed CTC here is 6 to 8 lakh per annum and the experience type is a little bit different. It is B2B, business to business. The number of experience we need is 2 to 5 years and the location as I already mentioned is in Mumbai and the age criteria is 21 to 32 years. Also the education requirement here is graduation. So this is all about the hiring criteria of all these 3 roles. If you have any profile, then don't wait, just refer us and let's hope for the best. Thank you.